EXPI-DOOR Storefront Door Installation Instructions. The tools you will need to install the door are a hammer, drill, levels, channel lock C-clamps, screw gun, and an Allen wrench. Material type: caulk, mastic, grout, and special fasteners, if applicable, vary from job to job based upon the architect's or end user's particular preferences. Therefore, these items are to be provided by others and are not available from EXPI-DOOR as options. Doors are delivered to the site, crated for protection. Before signing for receipt and the driver leaves, inspect the crates for damage by the carrier. Don't forget to check underneath through the fork entry. Scan the QR code for the installation instructions. Remove the crate lid by using a pry bar to remove the nails on all four corners of the crate. Then remove the screws. There are 2 on each end. Lift off the lid and set it off to the side. Detach the side supports. Locate the head receptor. Locate, measure, and mark the desired installation location, centering the header location on opening. Measure, then drill fastener locations in head receptor. Anchor head receptor to header. Apply caulk across the threshold location in the opening. Then stand the door up. And set it in place. Starting on the hinge side, make sure door is plumb and level. Prep and pre-drill side light base receptor. Remove the base receptor end cap. Apply caulk to the bottom of the base receptor. Install the base receptor next to the door. Screw down the base receptor. Unpack the side light and position it next to the door. The retention extrusion indicates the bottom and exterior of the side light. Stand up the side light next to the door. Seat the side light in the base receptor and align it to the door. Reattach the end cap to the base receptor. Ensure the side light is plumb and level. Anchor the side light to the base receptor. Install the head receptor cap. The cap will snap into the head receptor. Check both sides to ensure the cap has snapped into place. Unlock the door, anchor and caulk around the perimeter of the threshold. The installation is now complete.